everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I'm going to transform this box into something very beautiful that can be used as a keepsake box, jewelry box, or even a wedding gift card box. I found this box at Goodwill. Honestly, I found two of these boxes at Goodwill. So I'm going to decorate one on camera as the idea comes to mind. I know that I want to use mirror tiles and some other blings, but as for the overall design, I'm going to try and keep it relatively simple. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And the first thing I did was use the spray paint. It's the Rust-Oleum brand metallic silver spray paint. And I went ahead and took the other box outside and sprayed it silver. Alright, here's the second box. And like I said, I've already spray painted it silver. And that's a transformation in itself, just changing the color. I'm definitely going to measure this and change those eventually. Alright, so with that said, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is use some of this bling that I picked up from Amazon.com. And I'll be sure to link it below in the description. There's like a rough edge along here. So what I want to do is go ahead and cut that off or burn it off. I'm going to glue 2 rows here and maybe 1 row at the bottom. I'm not sure if I want to do 2 or 1. So let me just measure. Now I'm going to take some of my fix-all glue from Dollar Tree and glue this piece onto here. Now I'll allow this glue to set up and then I'll do the other side as well and then come back. Okay, I'm back and I'm done adding my trim to both sides. So now I've decided to go ahead and add some mirror towel right in the center. And I found these at Amazon.com. So all I want to do is just line this up and measure. So now I'm just going to fold it and then cut on the fold. And I used the Dollar Tree X-Acto knife. Now I'm just going to line this up with the edge and then glue it down. Depending on the item, sometimes I will add an additional layer of glue, like Fix-All from Dollar Tree. But this time I don't feel like I need to, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue this on. Just like that. Now for this trim here and here, I'm going to add some of this bling. I found this at Amazon as well. So I'm just going to line this up and then trim it. Okay, so that's how that looks. I'm going to add the same trim here and on the other side as well. And then once that's done, I'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back. So see if I can prop it up on something. Let's see. The first thing I want to do is trim the bottom with some more of this bling. And it's going to take 4 rows. Went ahead and cut it ahead of time to save some time. Now I'm going to take some of this bling and put it on the very top. Now I'll glue some mirror tiles right in the center. So in order to make this curve, I gotta put some cuts in here, and I'm gonna go every 2 over. Okay. So now I'm going to use a mirror towel to make a very simple design in the center of the lid. Finally, I'll use some Mod Podge to glue some crushed glass onto the lid. Now I'll let the Mod Podge dry and then come back and fill in any open spaces. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for a while and let the Mod Podge dry. Once it's dry, I'll come back and seal it in place and we will be done. Okay, so let's empty this. Okay, so now I have a little bit of water and I'm going to take some Mod Podge. And the ratio is about 1/3 Mod Podge to 2/3 water. And I'm just going to mix it up. So now I'm just going to take my brush, dip it into the mixture, and completely cover all of the crushed glass. Okay, so now I'll let this completely dry, then come back and show you what it looks like. And here's my beautiful Glam Keepsake Box. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of bling in an old box from the thrift store. Now, more than likely, you won't be able to find this exact box at the thrift store. So don't get discouraged. Just use this DIY as a guide to get some ideas on what you can do to design something that you may find at the thrift store, or maybe something you already have at home. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one.